Hello guys, so I'm back to another video. Okay, now today we're playing this Nerf gun at this bullet chart. Now we try to hit this.
Yeah, try to hit the 10.
And then this is what we're gonna do today. My mom is the cameraman. Say hi to mom. Okay. Okay, now this is how we're gonna do this. We got this chart that cheats up the points. Now, and then I don't know why a free for, so I just don't know we waste that. Where's the pencil? Now I just remember it with my own head. Okay, now this is how we're gonna do it. We're gonna be behind this trash can, and we're gonna fire it at this to see how much points I did. Hopefully I did a lot.
You got a 6.
Yay! I got 6 points for that one, and that was the first round. Now let's do this again. And I got 0.
You got 0.
Yeah. Okay, now it's your turn. And now it's my only gun. It's not you gonna pick.
This is hard, because these ones are...
Oh, you gonna pick that one?
I might pick this one.
Okay. Get the bullets ready. It does have bullets in it.
Yeah, it has a few. It has a lot of bullets in it.
Now, before we do this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to see more videos. Okay, now see this. It hit the 3. And let's do this again. And it hit the 3 again. So it's a tie between me and Andrew. That's very bad. That's where I'm about to sit this. Okay, I'm gonna pick this one. This gun's called I do not know because I do not know. Now, let's do this. I got a 1. And I got 0.
1 point.
Okay, you're not allowed to pick the same gun. Do you hear me? Not allowed to pick the same gun.
So, I'm not picking the D.
So I'm winning by
1
7 to 6. And here's your other bullet.
Oh, it's on.
It hit the 1. It hit the 1 again.
I'm ahead by 1.
You're ahead by 1. This is really bad. Why don't I toss it down? Ah! Now, I'm gonna get this. This is the Fortnite,
Tactical shotgun.
yeah, tactical shotgun. I really don't even play Fortnite at all. Okay, so it's fire.
Had 0. 0. Oh, I win!
No! I'm a big loser.
I need to see what my final score is, though.
Oh. It's hard shooting with that gun, as you know.
1. I won by 30 there.
Yeah. So this is gonna be the end of the video. So make sure to hit the like and the subscribe button to see more videos. Is that
And
correct?
hit the bell so you can see all of our new videos.
And